One of the most stunning vehicles unveiled at the 2012 North American International Auto Show was the 2013 Ford Fusion. Describing a family sedan as stunning might seem a bit overboard, but hear us out. Let's start with its looks. The Fusion's athletic stance, strong body side accent line, and sleek fastback-like roofline give it a sense of style that rivals the best in class, but it's the car's nose that really blows us away. Blunt and aggressive, with assertive headlights and a powerful-looking hood, the face of the new Fusion is dominated by a large grille that immediately brought Aston Martin to mind. It's wild that we'd ever mention Aston and a Fusion in the same sentence, but here we are. Move inside and the interior benefits from greater refinement and improved material quality, along with standard features including 8 airbags and the latest version of Ford's Sync voice activation system. The new Fusion also offers up some advanced options including a lane departure prevention system, blind spot warning, adaptive cruise control, and Ford's nifty automatic parking feature. With all that said, the coolest bits are under the hood, where buyers can choose from an impressive selection of powertrain choices. The base engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder that produces 170 horsepower, but moving up the food chain, there's also a 179 horsepower 1.6-liter EcoBoost that features an automatic engine stop-start system and can deliver 37 mpg on the freeway, as well as a 2-liter EcoBoost that knocks out 237 horsepower and sends its torque to the ground via an all-wheel drive system. Then we have the hybrids. The regular Fusion Hybrid uses a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and a lithium-ion battery pack to deliver an impressive 47 mpg in the city and 44 mpg on the highway. Lastly, there's the Fusion Energy. That's energy with an I at the end. It's the plug-in hybrid of the group. We didn't get word on what its pure electric range might be, but Ford did brag that the Energy should deliver more than 100 mpge, that's miles per gallon equivalent, placing it ahead of the Chevy Volt and Toyota Prius in that regard. Add it all up, and the Ford Fusion looks to us like an absolute winner. We look forward to driving one at some point before it goes on sale later this year.